In this video, we will use Ideata Analytics to perform basic data cleaning operations. Once I load the data within the application, I can see a statistical bar just below each column name. In case of customer ID, I see certain values marked as red, which are not parsed correctly. I'll click on the statistical bar here to highlight the values which are having incorrect data in it. As I can see, certain values have ID colon preceding the customer ID. This could be an error at the source system which is sending us the data. Let's go ahead and clean ID colon from the dataset. To do that, I will select the text here. The moment I select the text, Ideata Analytics will automatically suggest me possible ways in which I can perform data cleaning. Here, it is suggesting that I perform an extract operation in customer ID column between position 0 and 3. If I perform this operation, this is what my end result is going to look like. I can hover across different suggestions. I can see that the resultant data keeps on changing. These suggestions are helpful in identifying the right operation that I'm going to perform on my data. Like in this particular case, I'm interested in cutting values from customer ID column on ID and colon. I'll go ahead and select this transformation. And as I can see, the transformation is now applied and the data is now clean. All the values in the customer ID column are valid now. In the phone number column, I see an extension number added to each phone number. I would ideally want to split this into two different columns. So I'll go ahead and select the text. And again, using the suggestions, I will scroll down and use the split functionality on phone number column and divide phone number and extension into two different columns. As I can see, the transformation is now applied and I have a new column with the extension numbers. I will go ahead and rename the column to extension number. In the annual income column, I see certain values which are null. I will highlight these values. I don't want to consider these values in my analysis, so I can go ahead and delete these records. I also see certain values which are not parsed correctly. This seems like a manual error wherein somebody put in K instead of 000. Using the drop-down operations, I will go ahead and clean this data. Here I will see a list of all the operations currently available in Ideata Analytics, including filters, transformations, joins and lookups, string-like operations, and other advanced operations as well. I will go ahead and select replace. I'll specify my source as K and transform everything which is K to 000. Go ahead and click on apply. And I can see that the transformation is now applied. I will go ahead and look at the transformation history. As we can see, all the transformations that we applied on the data are now available in the transformation history. And I can go back a space as well to undo any transformation that was applied incorrectly. In the following videos, we will also see how we can use Ideata Analytics to perform further data preparation tasks. Thank you.